Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So today's video was like a kind of requested, like highly requested one. Had a few comments on my TikTok asking how to make them, and a few comments on my YouTube channel asking how to make them. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make polymer clay earrings, how I've made, like the ones that I've made myself, like how I make them, and just giving you a few ideas of what to make. So stay tuned to see that. So we've got little lollipops up here, and then we've got these cherries. I only actually made one pair of these because I didn't know if they were gonna work, but if I do want to use them as earrings, I can make another pair, or I could just use this as a necklace. I've then got some donuts, which are my absolute favourite. I think they are super cute. Peaches, again, I think these are really cute. I made a little avocado charm for a necklace. These hearts, I love these hearts. You can see I've put a little bit of glitter in as well. I really like them hearts. I did some pineapples, some flowers. I couldn't even think of what they were then. Some watermelons. These aren't the best, but I do want to try again. But yeah, I don't think they look too bad. And some grapes. So yeah, in this box I've got everything that I use. So this in here and this here, this is supposed to be in that box. So this is all like my jewelry pieces that I use. So here's the hooks for the earrings, and you've got like loads of different bits, like you attach them to the hooks to attach to the earrings, and then these two bits up here you stick into the clay so that then you've got something to hook the earring onto. These are for like little key rings, and just, yeah, really, these are another circle to attach to the hook to attach to that, which will be stuck in the polymer clay, which is like just a clear ropey thing that you can kind of use for a necklace. And I've also got some wire as well. Bought some Bacon Bond, which is just a glue, so like when I'm making earrings and I need to glue bits onto each other, I use that. I also bought some glaze just to make them a little bit glossy. Like the lollipops will look a bit better if they're a bit glossy, so that's what I'm going to use that for. And this is the actual main kit. I did buy this from Amazon. It was literally like £20 and you get so much in it. Let me show you. So you get, I have added a few bits into here, like this is what I was using to draw the dots onto the watermelon, so that didn't actually come. And also like these white brushes didn't come with it, or these tools here. These plasticky tools are the ones that came with the kit, but yeah, they're still great to use. So you get all of them tools in there. In the kit you also get some more of the clear string. The brand that this is Ifergu, maybe that's how you say it, I'm not sure. You also do in the actual kit get some jewelry stuff to help make your jewelry. Like there's a ring, there's a few necklaces in there. You get these little sprinkles, which I use for the donut. I think they're really cute. You get also some more jewelry stuff in here, like there's a key ring, there's some more hooks, and there's also like a hair clip in there as well, and a pendant if you wanted to make a pendant. And then you get some, oh, I've just thrown that, you get some glitter as well. And when you take this off, here is your clay. So as you can see, I've used like the ones that I've like re-wrapped back up, but you get like 50, I think it's 50 colours. Is it 50 colours? 50, yeah, you get 50 colours of clay, and I mean, you've got so many different colours there. I think it works out really nicely. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make, I think I'm going to do the donut charms because they're my favourite, and I think people would like to see them. I think they're really cute. So to make the donut, I use this colour here as a base. You could use a different colour, and then I use this pinky colour on the top. So obviously, like, yeah, you get so many different colours. You've got like purples, blues, greens, literally so many different colours. And yeah, you can just wrap them back up in their original packaging once you've used them. So I'm going to show you how I make the little donut. So I'm going to pop this to the side and we are going to get started. So I use this clay here. I just leave that to one side because I do like to wrap it back up. And so I'm going to use one of my tools to just cut a little bit off. And then to kind of get yourself started, you do need to like warm it up in your hands a bit, because it's a bit hard once it's been in there, but once you warm it up in your hands, like you can see, it's really easy to mould. But I've moulded it in my hands for a while. I've got this ball of clay, and I'm actually going to split it into 2 equal parts So I'm just gonna roll it out a little bit and then just cut it in half, because this is how I make them. So I'm just gonna cut that about there, and then I'm going to roll them back into a ball, both of them, and then just make sure that they are both equal. So once you are happy that they are both the same size and you've rolled them into a ball, excuse the fake blood, as you can tell I've been doing special effects looks this morning, you are just going to press it down a little bit, not too much, but you do want to press it down a little bit, and then you're going to take the pink. Make sure that your two little shapes look equal, and then you honestly need the tiniest little bit of the pink, and I am going to use, sticking to my finger, use this to just roll it out. Once you're happy with the pink and you've rolled it out and just pulled the edges a little bit, you just want to place it over the top of this white sapphire, and this is the sort of, it doesn't have to be equal all the way around, because I mean, what donut is, and this is your icing. So you want to repeat the same step on the other donut. Obviously it doesn't have to be pink, you can do whatever colour icing you want. Done that for both little donuts. I am going to take this round tool here and I'm going to create the hole in the center of the donut, just like that, and then I'm going to go back in and just wiggle it around to make the hole a bit bigger. Once you've done that and made the hole the shape that you want it, it's now time to add the sprinkles. So I'm going to pour some of these out and I'm going to use this bacon bond to stick them on. So I'm actually just using a small brush and getting my glue on there, and I'm going to paint it onto the clay just all around. It dries clear anyway, so you can paint it all around just so it's easier to stick on the sprinkles. Poured out my sprinkles here, and I'm just taking some tweezers and I am just placing them onto the donut where I want them, and then I'm just patting them in so that they don't fall off. And I'm going to keep repeating that until I'm happy with the amount of sprinkles and the placement on each donut. Happy with how the sprinkles are on there. Again, the glue will dry clear, so you won't be able to see it. I am now going to use my jewelry making kit to add the earring piece. So this is quite fiddly, so I'm going to take one of these ones, even though this isn't the one I'm going to use, but this, I don't know if you can see, the end is a lot thinner, it's just like a pin, and I'm going to insert it into the top of the donut to start making a hole, and then I'm going to use one of these ones, because if I use that one it would poke through the middle of the donut and it wouldn't look correct. So I'm going to use one of these thicker hooks to attach into the donut. I've added the hooks into the top, and this is how they look finished. I've put them on the tin foil and I'm now going to put them into the oven to cook for 15 minutes. After they're cooked for 15 minutes, you just add this circle onto the hook that you inserted, and then you can add your clip on to make it into an earring. And this is how they turn out. Really cute, they're really sturdy, and yeah, they just look really super cute. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope that you want to go out and make some yourself, be creative. And please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.